Hello students, I hope you are safe and healthy at home. Welcome to our classes today within our chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML of Standard 10 Computer Study. In this video, this chapter, before the starting, create the web page using in HTML. We have to study in the more topic that can working in the internet, and already study in the most of study regarding the standard 9, but the 10 is revision the little bits. Today topic is internet. The definitions of internet. Internet is a considering of the two or more computers that are linked in the order to share resource in the exchange of files or allow the electronic communications. And next is there the definitions of network. But what is use of internet? The internet is a large interconnections of network. Internet is a global systems of interconnections of computer networks that have used to internet protocol suite is a TCP/IP to communicated between a network and device. This is the definitions of internet. Internet is a current life is a very easy for the using for the any person. Next topic is WWW terminology. WWW terminology. WWW means what? The full form is a World Wide Web. It is a collection of all websites on this internet. Internet is a group of the connections the computer are known as a computer networks. The internet is a collection of the multiple computer network and known as the networks of or networks. WWW terminology. The WWW is a three. Is a for example is used the web browser, web server, website, web page, home page, hyperlink, and HTML. There are the different parts. The first of all is the web browser. What is use of web browser? The web browser is a programs of according viewing any information on the WWW. It is also known as a web client. The Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netflix, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome are some of the popular web browser. For example, the browser is also used searching engine is also using. Second is a web server. Web server a program or computer that store all the website. Next is what is a website? A website is a collection of web page linked to the one to another form of the global web of informations. Next is what is use of web page. A web page is a single page information. For example, text, image, sound, video clips on this website. That called a web page. What is a home page? The home page is a first page is practically in website is a home page. Next is a hyperlink. Hyperlink is a web page address on the web page. It is a shortcut of the another web page. It is could be a image or text. Is a hypertext. And last is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a standard coding language used to create the web page. It is set of a markup code or symbol that the browser how to display in web page. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. HTML is a client-side scripting language. It is not the programming language. It is used to designing static web page. What is HTML? The full form of HTML? Hypertext. T means text. Mark means markup. Means language. Hyper means what? Hypertext means is reference to a link. Text means what? Text means is data. Markup means what? The markup means is a predefined and language means a communication. Hypertext means reference link, text means data, markup means predefined, and language means communications. Means predefined link, data in a communications. The HTML language is not a programming language. It is a markup language. Markup language is set of the markup language. HTML is not the programming language. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. Is a set of a markup tag. HTML is a structure level language. HTML is a markup. Means what? Is a communications predefined statement. Markup tag is used to describe a web page. HTML files are a text file has been combined the additional formatting markup language. The information in the form of the tag along with a content. In this HTML code is true of the combinations of content to a display on the web page using a browser and tags that help of a guiding in the presenting of a content. HTML. Every web page is extension of the .html or .htm. We are using a software Notepad, or Notepad++. Finally it is a executing a Notepad++ in the way of a web browser. For example, the is a simple example of HTML. HTML. First of all, structures of HTML. HTML /head /title /title /head start the body /head /body. Body is define the content in browser /body, and then /HTML. They are all the structures of HTML. HTML. First of all, one by one display in a structure. First of all is the first headline of this HTML and /HTML. HTML is the first heading of a HTML. To have the structure, start the HTML and close the HTML. The text between a HTML describe the web page, means HTML and /HTML. They are the describe the web page. And second is a head. Head is basically not the display on browser contents. This is also used for a JavaScript, CSS. Next is the title. Title is also used in the web page title. For example, this showing this page is a web browser page. The web browser page, there the first of all is a title. For example, I am using the CCSA. The CCSA is the starting for a title for a page. And /title. Next is /head. And the most important part for a body section. The body section is a very important. The body text between a body, whatever the text between a body is a visible page in the content. Visible page. For example, the body content is a welcome. The output is a display in the welcome message. Okay, this is a web browser for a output. HTML tag. HTML tag, their content of a web page are right in using a HTML tag. A tag is made up the letter, word, number, underclose between a left and right along with the backspace. A combination of opening and closing bracket along with the some contents between a two tags from in elements. In this HTML, many be elements of you have to some attributes specify the additional formatting or publication instructions. They are the following. For example, is a opening, contain, and closing. For example, is the title. Title is also about the information and /title. The title title about the information slash writer. The form of the elements of the HTML code and closing tag contains are the predirection with the forward slash. They are also used for a forward slash. The close is slash or forward slash. Thank you so much for watching video.